Once the Prophet of Islam was in Mecca, someone said directly before him that you are a condemned person. We condemn you. Mudammamun nabayna, wa deenahu qalayna, wa amruhu asayna. This person said to the Prophet of Islam face to face that you are a condemned person. We condemn you. You are mudammam. He said that you are not a Muhammad but mudammam. Muhammad means praiseworthy. Muhammad means praiseworthy. And mudammam means condemned person. So he said that you are not a Muhammad, you are a mudammam. It was completely a derogatory remark. It was a blasphemous remark. But what happened? Prophet simply smiled. Prophet simply smiled and said nothing to that poet, because he knows that these kind of words are not going to be history. It's simply some words. And word cannot produce any kind of negative result. It is simply a lip service. So Prophet of Islam smiled. Smile means he avoided, simply. Prophet of Islam ignored. When Prophet of Islam at that time smiled, it means that he ignored. The best reaction towards all these things is principle of we have to ignore. At the time of cartoon controversy, some papers in Denmark published a cartoon that was derogatory in the lives of Muslims, and there was a hue and cry. At that time, I published an article with this title, "Ignore Cartoons." Ignore cartoons. This was based on the Prophet's Sunnah. When Prophet heard, when Prophet listened some derogatory remarks, some abusive remarks, some blasphemous remarks, he simply smiled. That means he ignored. So this is the Prophet. This is the Sunnah of the Prophet of Islam. You have to ignore all Taslim and Nasreen. You have to ignore all cartoons. You have to ignore all Salman Rushdis. This is the Prophet. This is the Sunnah of the Prophet of Islam.